G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the link and we're happy to help you out. Yeah, this is a batt job and I just wanted to show you something. These are 430 batts put into a 900 bay, and they're the right size bat for the bay, and that's tucked all the way out to the edge there, you can see that. Right, but if we come back here, you can see one bat's just curved up a little bit, right? It's tucked in, right? And it's done as good as every installer would do it. But with this little curve up here, there's actually an air cavity under there, right? So I don't know whether you can see that. And that'll go right through the length of the bat to that edge, and so then hot air can run straight underneath your bat. And that's part of the reason why bats aren't as good as the cellulose, the pump-in insulation, is because it is very, very difficult to have them sit flat on the ceiling, even if you put them in the bay now properly. And that bat there should be cut a bit shorter, so I'm going to tidy it up and cut it a bit shorter, but that's how it would be installed by 99% of installers out there. So anyway, that's part of the reason why bats, even though they've got the same R value as the cellulose fibre, they probably don't perform as well. And just further to that bowed bat, if you have a look at that bowed one there with that air cavity underneath it that I told you about that won't be working, which I'm yet to fix up. This here's one here, and so on this bay here I just tuck it in like that, so the bat itself lays flat and the edge of the bat faces up. I just got a tiny little bit of that corner to tuck in when I get in to do the next bay. So other than that, that looks a lot nicer. The bat sits down on the ceiling and does its job properly.